Hi, today topic is the model for a network security. How to develop a model for the network security. Here we have a message. The sender sends that message through the proper channel to the recipient, intended recipient. The message will contain the security related information, and that message can be called as a secured message. It can be passed through the channel, and then the same security, the secured message with the related transformations, it reaches the recipient machine. Sometimes the message can be transmitted through the trusted third party. From there it can be transmitted to the recipient machine. Sometimes during the transmission in the channel, the opponent or an intruder may get that information. There is possibility, so we have to provide more security. Even the information is received by the opponent, he should not understand the content, and he should not be permitted to make changes. So in such a way the security requirement should be given for the information. Here while designing the model, we have to design a suitable algorithm, then we have to generate a key, then we have to develop the methods to distribute and share that information, and then we have to use a protocol for the transformation of that secret message. We have seen an example. For example, we have discussed the Caesar method, and that Caesar method, that is a method. It will we have an algorithm and some key will be generating, then we apply that, we transform that plain text as a secret information, and then it should be transmitted. For security access, the information system, here we have the information system. Information system may include that resources, process, data, software. Here the filter should be done by the gatekeeper. From the channel we may be connected to various other devices through the various channels. Here before that information, anybody may try to attack our resources, may try to make use of our resources, may intended to get the information about resources. So anything that should be controlled by this gatekeeper. That opponent may be in a form of a hacker, or it might sometimes it might be a software. That software sometimes may get the information, may collect the information from our device. So this gatekeeper has to analyze the person and also the software. Only the right person, authorized software, authorized mail should be allowed to enter into our machine. This is how we can provide the security. And this gatekeeper must identify users, not only the users and also the softwares. All the softwares, all the messages should not be allowed to enter into our machine. Only the trusted users and messages from the trusted person and the trusted messages can be allowed to enter into our machine. Thank you.